Your Shopify checkout page is the final step in your customer's journey. It's where they enter their payment information and complete their purchase. A well-designed checkout experience can significantly reduce cart abandonment rates and boost your sales. Conversely, a confusing or clunky checkout process can lead to lost revenue and frustrated customers. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to customize your Shopify checkout page for a seamless and enjoyable customer experience. We'll cover everything from basic branding to advanced customization options using CSS. Let's get started. Before we dive into customization, let's locate the checkout settings within your Shopify admin panel. This is where you can control how your customers experience the final steps of their purchase journey. Log into your Shopify store and navigate to the settings section located at the bottom of the left sidebar. This section is your control center for various store configurations. From the settings menu, click on Checkout. This will open up a new page dedicated to all the checkout-related settings. This will take you to the main checkout settings page. Here, you can manage everything from customer contact methods to order processing. Here you'll find a variety of options to tailor your checkout experience. You can customize the look and feel, as well as the functionality, to better suit your brand and customer needs. We'll focus on the most impactful customizations in the following sections. These adjustments can help streamline the checkout process and reduce cart abandonment. Remember, even small changes to your checkout page can have a significant impact on your conversion rates. Optimizing this part of your store can lead to higher sales and better customer satisfaction. Take your time, experiment with different settings, and always test your changes before launching them to your live store. This ensures that everything works smoothly and provides the best experience for your customers. The checkout page should feel like a natural extension of your online store, not a separate entity. It's the final step in the customer journey, and it should reflect the same care and attention to detail as the rest of your site. Start by adding your brand's logo to the header of the checkout page. This simple addition can make a big difference in how customers perceive your brand. This reinforces brand recognition and builds trust with your customers. When they see your logo, they know they're in the right place and feel more secure in completing their purchase. Next, customize the colors of buttons and backgrounds to match your brand's aesthetic. Use your brand's color palette to create a visually appealing and cohesive look. Consistency in branding creates a cohesive and professional look for your customers. Remember, simplicity is key. A well-designed checkout page can enhance the overall shopping experience. While it's tempting to go overboard with customization, too many elements can overwhelm the user. A clean and uncluttered design will always lead to a better user experience. Keep it simple, and let your brand shine through. Now let's focus on making the checkout process as clear and easy to navigate as possible. A streamlined checkout process not only enhances user experience but also significantly boosts conversion rates. Modify the default text fields to provide clear instructions and expectations for your customers. This can include adding helpful hints or examples within the fields themselves. For example, instead of a generic company field, consider using apartment, suite, etc. Optional, to provide context and reduce confusion. This small change can make a big difference in how quickly and accurately customers complete their forms. Pay attention to the placement and wording of your call to action buttons. These buttons should stand out and be easy to find, guiding the customer effortlessly to the next step. Use strong verbs like complete order or secure checkout to encourage customers to proceed. These action-oriented phrases can create a sense of urgency and importance. By optimizing your checkout page for clarity and action, you can significantly reduce friction and guide customers smoothly towards completing their purchase. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also increases the likelihood of repeat business.